Welcome, today we're going to show you a step-by-step Apple family sharing tutorial. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open the settings app, as see from here. After that, you need to actually click on your profile name on the top. After that, you will see the family settings under iCloud. You need to click on it and it will say setup, because it's the first time that you click on family. So from here it will tell you that now you can share your subscription, your movies, anything you purchased from the Apple Store, and you can actually share it with up to 5 people. So now you can just click on continue, and now from here it will actually give you suggestions with who you can share the family with. You can just click on invite. Also, you can invite others by clicking on invite others. Also, you can create a child account. So, to create a child account, you just need to click on here, and now you need to write the name and the last name, and the account will be part of the family until the child is at least 14 years old. So, you need to write his information and then click on create a child account. After that, all you need to do is just to click on done on the top right, and that's it. You have created your family, and now you know everything about the family sharing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.